Today, we're doing something slightly different. Today, it's story time. Let's get into it. So as a photographer, I experience a lot of different things. I go to a lot of different events. I cover a lot of different things for people. Some being weddings, some being corporate events. As you go along with all these shoots and events and things, you pick up a lot of stories along the way. So here's one story about how I took pictures of a person with 2 million followers on Instagram and I didn't even realize. So it all starts obviously with me getting an inquiry. So that's getting a message or someone referring me, and that's when we start talking about what the details are of the shoot. And just for simplicity's sake and just for also keeping the privacy of the client, I will not be revealing any of the names or anything because I promised that to them, and that's something I'm going to respect. So I'm just going to keep everything very ambiguous, and anything that you might see edited out randomly, that's because I may have mentioned something. I just don't want to breach any confidentiality, so just please bear with me. So as I was saying, so there's talking to people, and one of these came from a friend of mine, and she goes to the same university as me, and that's how she connected me with this person. And this person was the sister of the person who I'm talking about. And this person, okay, so she wanted me to come to take some things relating to something wedding-like. So it's to go to their house and just meet and talk and just kind of capture whatever they're doing over there. After getting the inquiry and sort of settling how we're gonna make this all happen, what the price is, so on and so forth, the day comes. We go over there and I go inside, take the pictures. Their house is amazing. It's really nice and they're really nice people. So there's a lot of good things there, and there's a whole vibe over there that you would walk in and you'd be like, wow, but also a lot of things you could take pictures of for groups, for friends, for family, whatever. So I take pictures of the main people. Everything happens, so now it's just people talking and doing different things. This person's sisters are there, like their family, everyone, and we take a lot of pictures together. So I take a lot of pictures of this person who I'm talking about, and she's really nice, everything too. And yeah, we're just talking. I take a lot of pictures of her actually, and in this case it was a little more than, it may have been a few more extra than the main person actually, but it happens sometimes and you live and you learn. But I was taking pictures of this, and then so on. The night starts coming to an end. I get picked up and I go back home and I edit them. Everything's good. They wanted to keep everything private, so I'm not allowed posting anything, not allowed doing things. That's fine. It's their own thing. So we settle everything. Everything's good. And now fast forward maybe about a couple of years even, and it's been a while is what I'm saying. And I'm just looking on Instagram and finding stuff, and then her sister posted about something, and it's about some kind of product release. It's really cool. So I saw it. It was really amazing. And then I noticed a familiar face. I noticed it's the same person I took a picture of. That was really cool because I saw wow, instantly I know who she is. And then she tags that person. I find who this person is finally, and I didn't realize she has a massive following, and she was releasing her own product that same day. That's why she posted, her sister posted that story. So it was really cool. I saw how their family is, what they're doing, what they're releasing. It was really cool. And then I find it actually when I'm not even home, I'm with friends doing something else. Yeah, it was just crazy because then I was talking to this person. I was literally discussing certain things about Instagram modeling and different travel and just a bunch of different things. It was really cool to learn, but also just talking to this person. And I guess the one takeaway from all this, if you want a lesson from this whole video, is just don't judge anyone by their following, by a thing, because people sometimes have a perception of people being really stuck up and weird and annoying when someone has a big following. But this family, everything, they were amazing, and they're they had I can't say anything bad about them. They were amazing start to finish, and I had maybe the same perception of walking in or after knowing about this, and even realizing maybe she had a bigger, smaller Instagram thing that I thought. So I mean, I apologize for even kind of, I guess, thinking a certain way, but I mean, you just have to live and learn something like that. So I was really surprised, and I obviously I told few people about it, not the person who it was, but just I just when I exclaimed, it was I took pictures of this person. It's crazy. I was just surprised. I was kind of shocked, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, it was a really fun time, and that's story time for you. And if you all like more of this, I can definitely make more videos about some of the shoots I've done, different things. Some of the videos I've actually made about some of the shoots, the corporate shoots and the food truck, all that stuff. There's a lot of different ones, a lot of different stories I have, even how it goes from start to finish. I can tell you all, and maybe I can even get some of the people to come on the video if you want to actually know firsthand how the process was start to finish. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe down below. I'd love for you to all be along for some of the videos I'm making. If you want to follow me on Instagram or TikTok, just look over here and you'll see my Instagram handle and my social handles, and they'll pop up. Just follow me there, and I'd love to interact with some of you. I really hope you enjoyed and got some value or a very nice, fun story out of it. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.